Drop of the sun, will the expatriated Americans hoping to find some fun. Some of them go for the sailing, caught by the lure of the sea, trying to find what is in there, living in the land of the free. Some of them are running from lovers, no forward address. Some of them are running tons of ganja, some are running from the IRS. Late at night you will find them, cheap hotels and bars, rustling the senior victims while they dance beneath the stars, spending those renegade pesos on a bottle of rum and a lime. To give you some words I can ask you over a melody to rhyme. First you learn the native customs, soon a word of Spanish or two. You know that you can't trust them, 'cause they know they can't trust you. Expatriated Americans, feeling so all alone, telling themselves the same lies that they told themselves back home. Things as warm as the sea. None of the natives are buying any second-hand American dreams. Late at night you will find them the sun. Well, the expatriated American, hoping to find some fun. Thank you. Welcome back to the St. Pete Boat Show, y'all. Boats tied to the pines. Give me oysters and beer, dinner every day of the year, and I'll feel fine. I feel fine, 'cause I wanna be there. Go back down in the line beside the sea there, with the tin cup for a chalice, filling up the red wine, and I'm chewing on a honeysuckle vine. And now the sun goes sliding across the water. Sailboats, they go searching for the breeze. Salt air, it ain't thin, it'll stick right to your skin and make you feel fine. Makes you feel fine. 'Cause I wanna be there. Go back and get outside the sea there, with the tin cup for a chalice, filling up the red wine, and I'm chewing on a honeysuckle vine. It's out now from my strange photo. Get that idea, let's move. Wanna be there for the day tries to steal away, leave us behind. Made up my mind, 'cause I wanna be there. Go back and outside the sea there, with the tin cup for a chalice, filling up the red wine, and I'm chewing on a honeysuckle vine. Yeah, with the tin cup for a chalice, filling up the red wine, and I'm chewing on a honeysuckle vine. Cheers, thank you so much. Blue is the watercolor there. Green on the mountains everywhere. Yellow glistens through the trees. Orange sunsets out on the beach. It's a place you won't believe. up from the sea. It's a place you won't believe. Dominica Discovery. Sweet smells drip down from the trees, mixed with salty ocean breeze. My heart aches each time I leave Dominica Discovery. Thank you. I was born and raised on the Texas coast, not far from Galveston Bay, where I daydream of exotic places knew I would go to one day. I left Beaumont, blind and speed, day I turned 21. Voyage of discovery, time to have me some fun. I explored the beaches down in Florida, surfing waves on Oahu's North Shore. Spent time in Nashville on Hughes Road, learned to write songs and tour. Sailed the lost soul, Dondo Beach, made Australia my second home. Soon I will see Serengeti and the Colosseum in Rome. Permanently temporary, here for a little while. Definitely extraordinary, loving every new mile. Always never stationary. Enjoy life before it passes you by. This is permanently temporary. New man used to sail, wanted to live on a boat. Took his time, he woke up one day, realized he was old. Waited too long, lived out his dream, sailed the 7 seas. Now he's heading old folks home in a rocking chair, watching America's Cup on TV. Oh, permanently temporary, here for a little while. Definitely extraordinary, loving every mile. Always underway, very last day, never stationary. Enjoy life before it passes you by, 'cause it's permanently temporary. Each new day is a gift from God. I won't take it in stride. If I wake up tomorrow, I'll get up and say, this is the first day of the rest of my life. Oh, permanently temporary, here for a little while. Definitely extraordinary, loving every new mile. Always underway, very last day, never stationary. Enjoy life before it passes you by. This is permanently temporary. Disembarking at Duvalier Airport, seeking transportation to town. Has a purple ink dried on his passport. You can still feel the eyes look around. The 7-wheeler casino spoke to the cabin smile. The driver replied, no one knew, as he motioned the dark man inside. Business in Aruba concluded, had a little money to spend. That's how I came to meet African friend. We're rolling the bone several laps, versing as most gamblers do. We were calling on all of our vows, hoping to see the night through, not approving at all of our winnings. Big boss, he tugged at his sleeve. The whole thing, my new friend, was great. As emotions time we should leave.
Hey, man. Just showing the tickets. Last time I saw you, you were playing on the top of Marina Key. You know, it's a little intimate setting where you're cruising.
I missed that gig.
Oh my God. You know, we got to get it to come back. I just don't know about the boats. You know,
We're working on it. I've been talking to Sunset. We're supposed to do a charter there.
is that right?
So I just don't know if everybody's going to have their cars here. We may delay it till November. So that's what we're talking about. So a lot of them are open. They're ways away.
Well, maybe we'll see you back down there.
I'll get back there sometime.
Thank you so much. Take care.
Stuck here at a holiday inn near Austin, Texas. Seen all the road that I want to see. I gotta hate the snow. They even canceled the show. It makes me long for where I really want to be. 'Cause I wish I was there tonight on your Van Dyke, sipping on some Fox's Firewater Rum, or kicking back with Ira, all my friends down in the islands. Wouldn't take much for me to up and run another life somewhere in the sun. There's an only one channel on the TV, Andy and Barney on Nick at Night. I seen an ad from Mexico. Oh, really want to go anywhere, out of mind and out of sight. 'Cause I wish I was there tonight on your Van Dyke, sipping on some Fox's Firewater Rum, or kicking back with Ivan, all my friends down in the islands. Wouldn't take much for me to up and run to another life somewhere in the sun. Toast to you on the coast and the sailors out at sea. Drink your ales, host yourself, ride the wind and think of me. 'Cause I wish I was there tonight on your Van Dyke, sipping on some Fox's Firewater Rum, or kicking back with Ivan, all my friends down in the islands. Wouldn't take much for me to up and run another life somewhere in the sun. Somewhere in the sun. Somewhere in the sun. are the only tunes he plays, but he'll never get discovered at the Courtyard Cafe. So he packs up his acoustic, points his compass out, his pallets, beaches, bars, and booze, what he's all about. So he sails on the sea. Sometimes he needs to lose touch with reality. Ride your rails down in the Keys. He knows forever this is where he's meant to be. So he sails. And as the sun sets down at Battery Square, pulls out his old guitar, docks a sailboat within earshot of the pier, forgets about those plans he made, becoming a star. Reggae songs and Buffett, favorite tunes he plays, Coke Republic Seafood Company every day. His work is done, takes his scooter out and anchors by the pier to watch the sun go down. Tourists settle in their rooms, Spinnaker flies high, light of a billion stars sparkle in his eyes. So he sails on the sea. He's made the perfect change to his reality. Ride your rails down in the Keys. He knows forever this is where he's meant to be. So he sails. So he sails on the sea. Perfect change to his reality. Ride your rails down in the Keys. Knows forever this is where he's gonna be. So he sails. forest of. Listen close and I heard the ghost of Osceola cry. Oh, blow, Seminole wind, blow like you're never gonna blow again. Calling to you like a long lost friend, 'cause I know who you are. Blow, blow across the Okeechobee, all the way up to Micanopy. Blow across the home of the Seminole, the alligators and the guard. All the way up to Micanopy, blow across the home of the Seminole, the alligators and the dog. So I went to see a shrink. He said, I think what you need is some nice warm sun and some ice cold beer to drink. So I bought myself a ticket on an Air Jamaica flight. I told the ranch I quit and I disappeared from sight. I became a reggae guy, no cowboy boots or jeans. When you're in paradise, became a reggae guy. Now it's knee-long shorts and thongs. I picked Buffett to the same old Bob Marley song. The Calypso band was playing all them reggae hits. So I asked the boys if I could sit on in, 'cause I knew my songs would fit. Well, I cranked out country classics, but the only difference is I sang Hank and Merle, hot Jamaican twist. I became a reggae guy, no Miller Lite today. 'Cause when you're in paradise, it's where I'm meant to be. I became a reggae guy. What would Bob Marley say? I bought a round trip ticket, but I think I'm gonna stay. I sold my palace back in Dallas, bought myself a boat. I'll be living large on that sailing barge and make the damn thing float. Now I live the Rasta life. I quit eating chicken fried steak, now it's jerk chicken and rice. I even gave up my Camels, now I smoke the local brand. But they smell kind of weird and I roll up all by hand. I became a reggae guy, no Miller Lite for me. 'Cause when you're in paradise, I became a reggae guy. Those six sure made me choke. I think there's something strange about them things I smoke. I became a reggae guy. Now it's high living time for me. It's nothing like paradise. It's where I'm meant to be. I became a reggae guy. Now it's knee-long shorts and thongs. I play Buffett to the same old Bob Marley song. Buffett to the same old Bob Marley song. Yeah, man. He walked in through the salty sway, looking like Blackbeard in his day. Brother in arms just like me. I was born son of the sea. Can't be still, can't be tied. The only time I feel alive is when the wind fills my sails, riding on a lifelong swell. Let my heart take me where it wants to go. That's the soul of a sailor, soul of a sailor. Slid a stool and a beer to me. Said, you know we're both a dying breed. Here's to love lost to newfound friends, living out a life in the boat we're in. Can't be still, can't be tied. The only time I feel alive is when the wind fills my sails, riding on a lifelong swell. Let my heart take me where it wants to go. That's the soul of a sailor. Thank you very much. Who draws the crowd and plays so loud, baby, it's the guitar man. Who's gonna steal the show, you know, baby, it's the guitar man. He can make you love, he can make you cry. He will bring you down, he will get you high. Something keeps him drifting miles and miles away. Find another place to play. Night after night and treat you right, baby, it's the guitar man. Who's on the radio, you know, baby, it's the guitar man. When he comes to town and you see his face, and you think you might like to take his place. Something keeps him drifting miles and miles away. Find another song to play. When you listen to the music, like to sing along. You wanna get the meaning out of each and every song. So you find yourself a message, words to call your own and take them home. Something keeps him moving, and no one seems to know what it is that makes him go. And the lights begin to flicker, the sound is getting dim, the voice begins to falter, and the crowds are getting thin. But he never seems to notice